Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Characteristics and Mantissa. Common logarithm. Logarithm calculated to the base 10, which is called as natural base, are called common logarithms. Common logarithm has two parts, the whole part and the decimal part. Characteristic. The whole part of the logarithm of a number is called characteristic. Mantissa. The non-negative decimal part is called the mantissa. So example, when value of logarithm is 2.4567, the value of characteristic is 2, that is the left part of the decimal point, and value of mantissa is 0.4567, which is the positive part of non-negative decimal part. Determination of characteristic. Characteristic of number greater than 1. When the logarithm of a number is greater than 1, first determine the number of digits before decimal point. Then deduct 1 from the number of digits before decimal point to get the characteristic. For example, characteristic of 2.454. Now 2.454 is greater than 1. So, and number of digits before the decimal point is 1. That is 2. Number of digits. So, there is only one digit. So, the characteristic of log of 2.454 is equal to 1 minus 1. You reduce 1 is equal to 0. And so, the characteristic of 245. Now, characteristic of 245.8. The number 245.8 is greater than 1. The number of digits before decimal point is 3, 245. So there are 3 digits. Hence, the characteristic of log 245.8 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Characteristic of number less than 1. Logarithm of a number less than 1 is negative, and 1 more than the number of zeros immediately after the decimal point. Example, characteristic of 0.2454. The number 0.2454 is less than 1. Number of zeros after the decimal point is 0. So characteristic of 0.2454 is equal to minus of 0 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. This you can write as 1 bar. So 1 bar means minus 1. The characteristic of 0.002454. The number is 0.002545 is less than 1. So number of zeros after before the decimal point is equal to 2. So the characteristic of log 0.002454 is equal to minus of 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. This you can write as 3 bar. Computation of mantissa. Mantissa is same for same figures in the same order and does not depend on the position of decimal point. Only significant figure is considered, and the mantissa of the logarithm of a number is determined by using logarithm table. So mantissa of 0.2454 is same, and its value can be determined from the log table. Finding value of mantissa from log table. The main body of logarithmic table, referred as log table, gives the mantissa of the logarithm of numbers of 3 digits or less, while the mean difference table provides the increment for the 4th digit. Step 1. Ignore the decimal point, if any, of the given number. Step 2. In the first column from left in the table, locate the first 2 digits of the given number. If the given number consists only 1 digit, make it 2-digit number by adding a 0 to its right. Step 3. Along the row corresponding to the 2 digits, locate the entry under the column headed by the 3rd digit in the given number. Step 4. For the 4th digit, move further along that row and suitably locate the entry in the column of mean difference headed by the fourth digit. Now add the entry to the number obtained in step 3. So final entry thus obtained from the table preceded by a decimal point is the required mantissa of the given number. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.